Sam Altman just launched GPT-5.
Today, finally, we're launching GPT-5. But with GPT-5, now it's like talking to an expert, a legitimate PhD level expert. This is an incredible superpower on demand.
Let's be honest, that sounds incredible. And Sam is not alone. Elon Musk claims Grok can still get perfect SAT scores and is smarter than most PhDs. And Google Big Sleep has officially foiled its first cybersecurity attack in the real world. AI agents and tools are clearly having their moment in history. But while this conversation gets louder, here's what we are not talking about. You still need humans to build, test, supervise, and take responsibility when things go wrong. And spoiler alert, they do go wrong. AI agents are powerful, but even with the most well-intentioned deployments, they can go off the rails without the right safeguards. Take Replic AI coding assistance. In July of 2024, it accidentally modified live code and wiped out the whole production database of a startup, even though it was told not to touch that environment. The agent also generated fake users, masked bugs, and reported inaccurate test results. To their credit, Replic acknowledged the issue, responded quickly, and used the incident to tighten safety protocols. Then there's McDonald's. They spent 3 years testing AI at the drive-thru in partnership with IBM, a bold and ambitious bet. But when real-world use cases started surfacing, like one customer who kept receiving warm nuggets no matter what they said, McDonald's decided to pause the rollout and reassess. And of course, there's the Zillow case. Back in 2021, the company used AI to price and purchase homes at scale. But when the model overestimated property values, it led to hundreds of millions in losses and a complete shutdown of the program. Well, none of this means AI is failing. It just means autonomy without oversight is a risk. Because at the end of the day, when an AI agent makes a mistake, it's the humans behind it who answers for it. The reality future equals AI plus human. It's true that AI models are powerful and are going to change the future, but they still need a human to be supervising them. You can't assign them a goal and walk away as seen in the previous examples. Also, when they fail, because nothing is infallible, they cannot be held accountable. They have no skin in the game. What will you do if they mess up? Fire them? In fact, here's what Sam Altman himself said when talking about the need for a human person behind the AI in healthcare. Even Musk agrees that the smartest AI tool, one that is perfect in theory, may still lack common sense. This basically translates to AI agents will make your life easier, but it's still your life and you are accountable. Why humans still matter. This is why humans aren't going anywhere. Not because AI isn't smart, but because it has no context and no accountability. However, not all tech jobs will survive the AI agent era. I'm going to break down the 6 types of tech roles most likely to be automated. And if your job is on the list, you may want to stay till the very end. Number 1, the rule follower. Manual QA testers, we are looking at you. If your job is running the same tests repeatedly and logging bugs, that's exactly what AI agents excel at. Instead of being replaced, learn how to design test agents, not just run them. Number 2, the boilerplate coder. If 80% of your job is filling up CRUD APIs and copying off flows, LLMs can already do that in one prompt. Your move? Learn agent orchestration, debugging, and how to integrate AI into dev cycles. Number 3, the Gatekeeper PM. Project managers who mostly chase updates and write status reports. You're at risk. If you're a Jira board babysitter, AI agents can already summarize tickets and progress. Move beyond tracking to strategy. Define how agents impact users. Drive roadmap shifts and support product velocity. Number 4, the pipeline pusher. ETL-heavy roles that write SQL and schedule jobs are under threat. Why? Because agents can now generate queries, build models, and self-correct. Upskill into data plus AI workflows. Learn how agents interact with real-time systems. Number 5, the UI stylist. If you spend your day tweaking buttons and cloning templates, GPT-4o plus Figma plus Vercel can do your job faster and cheaper. So move up the stack. Build agent-powered interfaces, not static ones. Number 6, the copy-paste analyst. Spreadsheet ninjas who clean CSVs and wrangle VLOOKUPs watch your back. If you're doing manual data cleaning and formatting day after day, agents now do that at scale. Start building your own data co-pilots, large language model powered assistants that work with your data, not around it. Here's the bottom line. Jobs that are repetitive, rule-based, and reactive, they're exactly what AI agents are coming for. But roles that involve judgment, orchestration, and abstract building, that's where you will still win. In short, operators stay, button pushers go. As the future moves towards AI agents, you need people who know how to build agents, how to test them, how to supervise them, and how to take over when things go sideways. If you are serious about becoming one of those people, you need more than YouTube demos and weekend hacks. Because let's be honest, most people learn AI agents the way they learn to cook. You watch 2 tutorials, you skip the instructions, and you end up with prompt spaghetti. So when we built the Agentic AI Career Boost program, our goal was clear. Whatever we create has to cut through the noise and actually move the needle for tech professionals. We built a program backed by 700 plus FAANG instructors with alumni averaging $300,000 in compensation. It's an intensity hands-on 14-week program with 2 life-guided projects that push you to apply what you learn in the real world. If you're curious, there's a free webinar coming up. Links in the description. Bring your questions, get the real story, and see if this program is a fit for you. Don't take my word for it. Ask the 20,000 plus tech professionals who have gone through it. Engineers, PMs, tech leaders. If you want to stay competitive in the US tech market, this was built for you. So hit that link, register for the next session, and I'll see you at the next free webinar.